Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sell your Call of Whales Fashionwave items in Heartopia. So basically, you're just going to talk to Azure here, and then go to the Fashionwave related, and then sell items, and you're just going to sell your items here. I think I'm just going to sell the ones like I don't need. Make sure you do the like full stack as well. You can sell these like cards here. And some sea creatures. I'm not going to sell the squid though because I do need that for cooking. And then the fishes, some of the scallops maybe, and probably all the food. I can cook that up again later because I do need some tokens right now. I don't know what these shells are for so far, so I'm going to be selling the ones that I don't need. And then you can use that token to pretty much purchase some items. Oops, wrong one. Which I have my tutorial on another video. Why do I keep pressing the wrong button? But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!